Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on the Sandbox. In my earlier video, I was showing you a very big down channel that the Sandbox has formed on a weekly time frame chart, and this was my previous video. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then still Sandbox is moving at the resistance of this channel and very close to break it out. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move. And I would also like to show you this rising wedge pattern that Sandbox has formed on the daily time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for the Sandbox that I shared a few days back. On almost 6 days ago, I shared this idea. That was an expected harmonic bullish reversal bad move that the Sandbox was completing on a 2-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair, by the way. And if I play this chart, then you can see that it was very close to complete this final leg, but upon before the completion of this leg, it was not able to enter in this buying zone, and we had a very nice rally, by the way. And before that, I've already shared a very big harmonic bullish reversal bad move. And by the way, I shared this idea in the month of June 2022. It was a quite big bad move, and it's a quite long-term move. And I told my members that even though it is moving inside the buying zone, but we should wait for the price line to break out this long-term channel. And once it will be able to break out this resistance of the channel, then we can expect that this move will be started. And then the price line can move between $3.92 to $6.90. And so far, you can see, let me show you the live weekly time frame chart. The price line is still moving inside this down channel. And once it will be entered, once it will be able to break out the resistance of this down channel, then we can buy it from this buying zone, and then we can expect this massive rally can be started very soon. Now, if we move back here on this weekly time frame chart, then you can see we are moved very close to the resistance of this down channel. And we have also found a very long-term support here, by the way, at 50 cents. And previously, this level of 50 cents has been breaking as a nice support here and support here and support here. And here it was breaking as a support. Therefore, again, it is breaking as a nice support for the price line. And it is quite squeezed. The movement of the price line is quite squeezed between the support of 50 cents and this resistance of the channel as well. And on a daily time frame chart, we have the formation of this rising wedge pattern. That is a bit critical situation, because if the price then breaks down the support, then the target can be here at the bottom of the wedge. That will be approximately at 48 cents. Or maybe it is possible that we may again test the support of 50 cents, very close to 40 cents target for this breakdown. And this rising wedge pattern is already considered as a bearish bias. Therefore, there are more chances for the breakdown, but you can see that we are testing the resistance more than the support. Therefore, there can be this can be an indication for the breakout soon. Now, if we take a look at the target for this rising wedge pattern, if it will be able to break out, then the target to the upside can be here. That will be approximately at 70 cents. And in that situation, we can also break out the resistance of this down channel as well. And once the price line will be able to break out this down channel, then the target for this breakout will be here at the top of the channel. That can be between $8 to $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.